The first DIY is a decor idea. Begin by slicing up some citrus fruits, then place your oven on the lowest heat setting and set them in there for a couple of hours, flipping every hour or so. When you're finished, it should look something like this, and these look great for gift wrapping. Next, I'm going to show you 2 DIYs you can make from an old picture frame. Begin by cleaning off the glass and print out a picture of your favorite album. You should also print out a music template with your band's name on it. Tape the template in place and then trace over it with a paint marker. It should look something like this. But don't step on the glass like I did, or it will break. Thankfully, I found a new piece of glass and tried it out again. Tape the edges of the picture you printed onto the frame and then you're finished. Print out several pictures you want to make a collage out of and arrange them how you want them. Since the backing of my frame was really old and needed to be replaced, I traced it out on a piece of foam and a piece of cardboard. Then I repainted the frame. I traced out the borders onto the foam and then began sticking on my pictures. Then I added things like dried flowers to decorate it. Once you're finished, pop it back into the frame and you're done. Begin by cutting out 2 strips of fabric that are 22 inches long and 4 inches wide. With 1 strip of fabric, fold it in half twice like this and cut out this shape. It should end up looking something like this. Then fold up your other piece of fabric and sew it on one side, and thread an elastic through that's about 7 inches long. Then sew your remaining 2 pieces of fabric together, leaving a small opening to turn inside out. Flip it inside out and then sew the opening shut. Sew the scrunchie ends together and then tie your remaining piece over the seam. For this you will need Epsom salts, a jar with a lid, food coloring, and essential oils of your choice. Fill up your jar with salts and empty it into a bowl. Mix your essential oils in and halve the salts between the 2 bowls. Mix a few drops of food coloring into one of the bowls. Then begin layering these 2 salts in your jar. Once it's filled, you're finished.